Hi everyone, Rob at Burnhouse Caravans here, just taking you through another one of our caravans. So this is the 2024 Swift Sprite Quattro EB Grande. So as you could have seen from the external pictures, this is a twin axle tourer. It's 8 foot wide and it's basically 8 metres from the hitch to the tail. Unlike the other Quattros, this is a 4-berth, so you've got the rear bedroom, which I'll go over in a bit more detail in a minute, central washroom, kitchen, and then you've got the lounge at the front. So the last one that we've got of this particular model for this year, and as with a lot of the others, this is in a promotion and it's basically till November 30th 2024, £2,750 off the original screen price. So details of that can be found on our website www.halleycaravans.co.uk. Get some more information, get some spec details, sizes, etc. Also, you can contact us anytime. We can give you more information, arrange a viewing if you wanted to as well. And you can obviously see this and many more at Burnhouse Caravans here. So that's just a quick overview, give you an idea of the layout, the spec, etc, etc. So I'll just give you a quick run through. So as ever, we'll start with the lounge. So being an 8 foot wide, the bed makes up slightly differently. So instead of the slats pulling out from underneath the chest, the bases themselves sort of fold and pull out and meet in the middle here to create a frame, and then you rearrange the cushions as per, and then you've got a bit of an infill as well just to bridge the gap. But these are quite large seats, so you could technically use them as single beds. And you've got plenty of storage at the chest, of course, here with the extendable top. Some blanks here for some added sockets if you want any, USBs. You've also got USBs underneath there. Plenty of storage above. That's your stereo there as well. So as I said in other videos, it's got Bluetooth capabilities. So if you see like Spotify or something on your phone, you can stream music to it, or if you've got a TV that has Bluetooth options on it, you can use that with the speakers as well. As with all Sprites, you've got plenty of windows at the front and all around the caravan to let in a lot of natural daylight, if I can say that. And then moving round, so you've got your kitchen off to the side with the worktop extension, under-counter fridge. You've got your grill, oven, and your 3-burner hob. You've got your plateless microwave oven there, storage. And then on the opposite side, you've got a big wardrobe there, TV area there. That's where your TV socket is, and obviously your main entrance door controls, including for your Trima combi heating. And then moving to the middle, so this is the unique part of this particular layout. So you've basically got a central washroom. There was a few older caravans that had this idea with a central corridor, but this has a kind of double action, as it were. So you've got your shower cubicle on one side. So basically got your shower screen comes across. And then on the other side, you've got your wash basin and toilet. And the way this door works, you can basically have it closed like so, and that cordons off your living room. So what you can basically, if you're holidaying with other people, you can have it all cordoned off and all separated, because in the bedroom as well, you've got your sliding door, which comes across and just creates a room in itself. And you've got a bit here as well, you can mount a TV if you wanted to. And then obviously you've got the bed down there. So this, it always comes in packaged like this as well, but you can see the insert. So there's day position, which gives a lot more space at the bottom to get around. When it's fully extended, you have got space to get around, thankfully. Then you've got your storage either side, above and round. And then you've obviously got your roof light above that. And then under the bed, of course, you've got plenty of storage as well. But really practical layout, and I mean, if you're holidaying with people, other couples, etc., and you wanted that roomed off idea, it's absolutely perfect. And being 8 meters long to an axle, you've got more space, and with the 8 foot, more space again. So really, really good layout, and one not to be missed. As I say, this is the last of the 2024 models of this particular caravan, and you can save massively on the original price, and on the 2025 model as well. So if you want to get in touch, you can do so through the admin@halleycaravans.co.uk email address. You can give us a call on 01560 44 859. We're open 9 till 5 during the week, being winter hours, and 11 till 5 at the weekend. So if you want more information, don't hesitate to get in touch or just pop down to our Burnhouse dealership and we'll be happy to help. Look forward to seeing you and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.